everyone! I'm so excited to post this video on YouTube after a long summer break. So I will give you the health insurance industry update for year 2020. I will touch base on open enrollment dates, legislation change, rules and penalty mandate in California, and so on. So please stick around and follow and like me on social media. Let's just start with the fact that so-called Obamacare, or the Affordable Care Act, was not repealed. What happened is the penalty for not having health insurance was repealed for year 2019. This is also referred to as individual mandate. But in year 2020, the penalty is back in the state of California. The other provisions of the law are unchanged. The open enrollment is still in force. The subsidies or tax credits are still available for year 2020. In fact, there are more subsidies available in the state of California. The pre-existing condition is still not a consideration, at least not at the time of recording this video. Now, even with the penalty coming back next year in California, it's up to you if you want to get health insurance or pay money to stay uninsured. But keep in mind, if you do not apply for a health plan during open enrollment, you might not get a chance to have major health insurance for year 2020 at all, unless you have a qualifying life event during the next year. So when researching the open enrollment to buy health insurance, make sure to look at your specific state. All states have their own enrollment periods. The federal 2020 open enrollment period runs from November 1st, 2019 to December 15, 2019. Plans sold during this time have an effective date of January 1st, 2020. In California, we have it our own way, always. So California has its own open enrollment. So for 2020 coverage, California residents will be able to enroll in health insurance plan starting on October 15, 2019, and will have until January 15, 2020 to enroll. These rules apply to both on and off exchange plans. Now, I have to mention that Assembly Bill 1309, Bar-Con, I hope I said it right, currently under consideration by the state legislature. If passed, it would extend the open enrollment through January 31st, 2020. Again, in California, the individual mandate penalty will be in force next year. It will be very similar to the federal penalty and last year, and we'll have a separate video on this topic. For now, just keep in mind that the penalty will be either 2.5% of your adjusted gross income or $695 per adult and $347 per child under the age of 18. At the same time, the new state subsidy program will be implemented in California, and this will allow middle class to pay much less for their health insurance. On top of it, many insurance companies expanded their footprints and have the lowest rate increase I've ever seen. So this is kind of exciting news. For details and specifics, please feel free to reach out directly or see the resources in the description of this video. Again, plan ahead. It's up to you whether or not you decide to play a fair game and minimize your financial risk by having health insurance or going broke in case you have an accident or health issue and you don't have coverage, so you have to pay the big bucks. Remember, even a high deductible plan safeguards you in case of an unplanned medical expense. Unless you understand this, you won't be able to make an educated decision. So please understand. You know you can't order your health on Amazon and you can't buy happiness, but you can buy health insurance during open enrollment, and this is kind of a big deal. Anyways, if you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe, and comment. Feel free to follow us everywhere. We are on social media. If you have a specific question or need help finding a health insurance plan, please feel free to reach out to us. We are a California licensed insurance agency and we do not charge for our services. Again, this is kind of a big deal. Did I mention we love helping people? Please spare 1 second of your time and like us. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back.